DJT stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Trump media, Trump media and technology stock. Yeah, I see the bullishness, I get it, I'm aware, but you also have to be aware of the broader picture. Look at the bearishness for the last few months that we've been in. Bearish momentum. I mean, the final sting was this thing breaking the lows at 1432, because this is what it was like. This is what it was like, holding the structure up, and then we broke that. So I'm like, okay, if the rules, I'm open to the bearish idea. So if it gives me like a decent double bearish momentum, only then I'll just double down on it. So continue to keep you updated. This is what has worked for me personally. I'm sharing it with you. I don't share a course, it's a free one. You can check it out, first link in the description, but I don't sell it, I'm giving it away for free. That being said, goodbye and enjoy. Have a wonderful day for the rest of your day. I don't know if someone has told you that today.